Hello, my stamping friends. I'm preparing this short video to explain how you can use this system I have set up for selling my retired products. When you click on the link, you will be brought to this screen, and the first thing you will need to do is download this form. When you click here, it will open another screen for Google Sheets, a document I've set up that you can enter your information in and then email it to me so that I can pull the product for you and get it off, get an estimate if you need it mailed. And you need to click Make a Copy, which will take you to this screen where you can enter your name, your mailing address, all the item description, selling price, and it will total for you. And then you can click on File and Email. It will email the file, or you can download it to your computer in any of these formats and then attach it to an email that way and send it to me. So I would suggest you have this screen open as well as this one, and here is where you can see the retired products by clicking on each of these sections. If you would like any of them, this is what you will get. And you can find the name and the amount, and those are what you would put over in this form to send to me. And hopefully it will all work. If you have any questions, be sure and reach out to me. You know how to find me. This will be my contact information, and I would love to help you with finding a new home for all of these products. Thanks for joining me.